Change is exhausting. We all know this. And we all have been feeling the effects of the constant change that's been going on for the past 4 years. And that means that a lot of people, when they're trying to communicate, what are we doing now? Why are we doing it? How are we doing it? That message is getting lost amongst all the other things that we've got going on. The problem isn't that your communication isn't good. It's that usually what's happening is we're drowning in messages. And the only way to counteract that is to get really clear on what your message is and what the benefit of the information is to your audience. The faster you are at getting to the point and getting to what's important to the people you need to connect with, it doesn't matter what stakeholder that group is. It could be your 5-year-old child. It could be your boss. It could be community members. It doesn't matter. But the strength of this session, this series of workshops on benefits-based messaging, helps you master skills that help you communicate effectively. And it can be anything from a capability brush up. You might be already a really seasoned comms professional to, hey, I'm really new at storytelling. Where should I start? And look, for me, it's always about the message. Story is just a delivery system for a message. And the clearer that message is honed in and connecting with your audience, the more successful you're going to be. So don't hesitate. Sign up for this 4-part, very concise, simple, to the point online course that will help you get to the point, get into the audience that you want to, and get critical and strategic with your communication. Strategic and short and to the point, benefits-based messaging.